Okay, I think let's do it on this one. Although she's not technically fully plus size, but I'm just still going to fire this one. A little bit for the string. Three is good measure. But we have 3 minutes left. Is there another request or?
Some two garments on the same model and one more for a night shot.
Okay. Let's try 2 garments on the same model. So let's do that here where we worked on the garment already. And then we try and put a different swimsuit on her. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna change the swimsuit to the white swimsuit. And I'm gonna take this image and say that draw on that swimsuit on this model over here. And this is like the beauty of it, right? That once you have your shots, you are able to make the same model wear different garments. I think because the shoulder is this way, I should also mask this. Yeah, because it has a V-neck. Okay, that should work. So I'm firing 2 with this, and for good measure, I'm firing 1 more for this. Okay, so we're gonna come back to that favorited one. Meanwhile, let's go and see the larger woman that I fired it on. Did I fire it on her? Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of stretched it out. Yeah. And that was the size that it was on, and then stretched it out on her. And once you upscale it, you'll see better fabric quality. So let's upscale the image. And meanwhile, let's go and check the same garment. Let's just favorite the image on. Yeah. That's the other garment. Let's select the shot we like with the scarf we like. Yeah, that's a very nice one. I think this one's better. Okay, and let's compare. Is that accurate? Yes. Even the curvature and the stitches here, the flower, everything. And can you see it's also gone under the fabric? And that's it. You have your shot. You can upscale it.